Hey guys, my name is Dakshi Gupta and welcome back to my channel Code with Dakshi. So in this video, I will tell you about supervised, unsupervised and semi-supervised machine learning. So let's start with supervised machine learning. So supervised machine learning is in which models are trained using label data. Like in this we have input variable and output variable. Like models need to find the mapping function to map the input variable like x and output variable like y. So what is the formula of supervised machine learning? Y equals to f of x. This is the example of supervised machine learning. So supervised machine learning is of two types. First one is classification and second one is regression. So what is classification and what is regression? So classification is when the output variable is a category. For example, like we have two colors. In this, like green and black. Okay, so output variable is a category. And regression is when the output variable is a real value. Okay, so classification is a category and regression is a real value. So in regression you can take any example like dollars and weight, right guys? Second one is unsupervised machine learning. So what is this, right guys? Unsupervised learning algorithms are trained using unlabeled data. So in supervised learning, algorithms are trained using labeled data, and unsupervised learning algorithms are trained using unlabeled data. So labeled data, unlabeled data. Okay, so unsupervised learning is of two types. First one is clustering and second one is association. So what is clustering and what is association? Clustering problem is where you want to discover the inherent groupings in the data, such as grouping customers by purchasing behavior, right guys? And association, in this problem is when you want to discover rules that describe large portion of your data, like such as some people buy X, right, and some buy Y, right guys? So what are the unsupervised learning algorithm? In this we have k-means for clustering problems, right guys? Third one is semi-supervised machine learning. So what is this? As you all know guys, semi-supervised is something about supervised machine learning plus unsupervised machine learning. So in this, labeled data and unlabeled data both are includes, right guys? So these are about supervised, unsupervised and semi-supervised learning. So now let's talk about what is the difference between supervised learning and unsupervised learning. As you all know guys, in interview of data science, many interviewers ask that tell me about supervised and unsupervised learning, right guys? So in that you can say that supervised learning algorithms are trained using labeled data and unsupervised learning algorithms are trained using unlabeled data, right? So first difference is this. Second difference is like supervised learning predicts the output and unsupervised learning models finds the hidden patterns in data, right guys? And third difference is like supervised learning needs supervision to train the model, and in unsupervised learning it does not need any supervision to train the model, right guys? Because of supervised is labeled data and unsupervised is unlabeled data. So next difference is we have classification and regression in supervised learning, and in unsupervised learning we have clustering and association, right guys? So these are the difference between supervised and unsupervised machine learning. So now let me remind you of supervised, unsupervised and semi-supervised learning. In supervised learning, all data is labeled, as I told you, right? And the algorithms learn to predict the output from the input data, right guys? And in unsupervised learning, all data is unlabeled and algorithms learn to inherent structure from the input data, right guys? And in semi-supervised learning, some data is labeled and some data is unlabeled. So it is a mixture of supervised learning and unsupervised learning, right guys? So I think now you are clear about what is supervised, what is unsupervised and what is semi-supervised learning, right guys? So in this video I told you about supervised, unsupervised and semi-supervised learning, and what is the difference between supervised learning and unsupervised learning, right guys? So I hope you like this video, and please like my video, subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Link is in description. So please support me guys. I need your support, and let's meet in next video. So take care guys. Thank you so much.